Welcome to the Weather Center, everyone. This Monday, we have a small chance of drizzle along the KZN coastal areas. It's going to be partly cloudy and dry, however, across eastern Mpumalanga and Limpopo. Then over the western areas, there is going to be a good chance of isolated thundershowers late this afternoon for the western areas of the Northern Cape, extending down into parts of the Western Cape. It's going to stay mostly sunny for the rest of South Africa, and we are expecting another very hot afternoon for the western parts of South Africa. Now, you can expect just a 20% chance of drizzle for the rest of your Monday for the KZN coastal areas, and that just an interior and up to a 40% chance of thundershowers is forecast for the western parts of the Northern Cape as well as parts of the Western Cape. Now, we still have a warning for high fire danger for your Monday. In the areas you see the shade of red across the western areas of the Northern Cape as well as much of the Western Cape. So you will need to be very careful around any open fires if you find yourselves in those parts of South Africa. Now, with that, here's a look at top temperatures for your Monday afternoon. We are expecting highs around 28 degrees for Mahikeng and Modimolle, slightly hotter for Pretoria. Mbombela will peak at around 27 degrees. Highs in the upper 20s are expected to persist for Bloemfontein and Welkom, and we're expecting temperatures to reach the upper 20s and lower 30s across the Eastern Cape as well as parts of KwaZulu-Natal. Light to moderate winds are expected for much of the east coast, but it's going to be pretty breezy for East London and Port Elizabeth, with strong northeasterlies expected gusting to 40 kilometers per hour for the two cities, and temperatures for East London and Port Elizabeth will lie mostly in the mid-20s. On the other hand, we are expecting a very hot afternoon for much of the Western Cape. Afternoon temperatures reaching and exceeding 40 degrees around Worcester and Vredendal, 39 for the high in Robertson. It's going to be significantly cooler as we go towards the south coast, where highs in the upper 20s are forecast in most areas. A hot 32 for the high in Hermanus. Muizenberg peaks at 31 degrees. Moderate to fresh winds are forecast along much of the south coast. We are also expecting a hot day across the Northern Cape, Appington and Springbok, warming to 36, 32 for the high in Kimberley. Moderate to fresh winds are forecast for your Monday along the west coast, Cape Town reaching a hot 36 degrees this afternoon, 38 for the high in Langaban. Then looking ahead to your Tuesday, we are going to see thundershowers for the southern areas as well as around Mbombela and Polokwane.